Today we are discussing Mantra 7 of P2's No Stopping You, which states being healthy. So being healthy is very important. It's quite one of the most significant thing in our life. But P2, why did it find a place in your book as a mantra? I would like to know.
That's the point, Shona, that we all know that we have to be healthy, but we take care of it still. So, what worse than this that we know and we don't take care?
Healthy doesn't mean that you have to be six tapping or having a six packs abs.
Yes, Smith. Even a fat person like you can be healthy, and a person with perfect body like you can be unhealthy.
It all depends on how we exercise.
It's not only on exercise, guys. It also depends a lot on what we intake. Our eating habitats also influence it.
Yeah, I agree, but how can you cut out on pizzas and pastas and chocolates and oh god, I feel hungry.
Me too.
Ayushi, please don't take all these names in the lockdown period because we are not going to get any of these and we can't stay without eating them.
I miss Maggie so much and I don't know when will I get to have it again.
Very soon. Very soon, Sonali, very soon. But one question, isn't it good for health? Isn't that good for health?
How can these things be good for health?
Things which are good for health are tasteless. Rather tasty and are bad for health.
Right, like once in a while eating these aren't bad, right? मतलब कभी कभार तो खा ही सकते हैं. We should know what is good for us.
Yeah.
Like, so Harsh, if you had yesterday, that was good. कभी कभार खा सकते हो.
Yeah, actually. But the problem is Amit sees only food. He doesn't see good food or bad food. He just sees food and सट्टा मान लेता है खाना के ऊपर.
I remember it during our tuition days.
Yes,
Even
same
we
here.
keep on having.
The sandwiches.
Even we keep on having a lot of tea in the office every now and then. Maybe every hour a cup of tea.
And now during the lockdown period when we are all at home, the intake of beverages, say tea and coffee, has escalated to a huge extent.
What is essential is doing regular workout. Exercises is the key.
Sanjay, do you even exercise? Look at you, you're so thin. तुम कैसे बोल रही है बात?
Now I have made my perfect body.
Ayushi, he walks a lot. You don't know, he walks a lot. You can't even.
Walking is the best. Walking is the best exercise, I must say.
Even during this lockdown period, I am doing regular gym with Cultural Audios. And prior to that, I was very regular in my office gym.
That's really great.
Wow. But then, like, there are some people, they keep making excuses, Harsh, like, they say they don't have time, lack of time. And look at now, like, lockdown period, quarantine, and some people still say that time nahi hai. Abhi nahi hai, to kab hoga?
No, you can be at home and move a bit. You can do whatever exercises which is not possible outside, but you can do at home at the subsidized level.
You can do crunches or skipping.
Or you can turn to music and dance, but make sure your TikTok is not on. And you don't put it up on social media sites. That is
And
the
also I'll add one more thing to it. अरे बेस्ट है घर का पोछा लगा दो मम्मी भी खुश और आपकी एक्सरसाइज भी हो गई.
वो तो रोज लगाना पड़ता है.
So true. So true.
Amit रोज करता है. So he is staying fit.
Thank you, man.
Me too.
Let's not start a Me Too movement over here.
Nice idea. Walk and talk.
Walk and talk, yes. And it's really important to stay fit and healthy. No, we don't realize it now.
I agree. Health is the real wealth.
By the way, Amit, which example this ma'am cited in the book?
Yeah, I remember. How can I forget that example? थोड़ी सी तो lift करा दे वाला. Adnan Sami, who was so heavy on body, but now he's slim trim.
Guys, the doctor had given him 6 months time. He has a chair anyway. If he doesn't lose weight, he will die.
Yes.
That's the reason, you know, when the balloon is over here, you do take it takes.
Okay, ma'am. That is about Adnan Sami, but what about you?
Well, during this I work a lot. Earphones plugged in, I see good videos, and I simply walk, or you know, walk and talk as Harsh said. बात करते जाओ, चलते जाओ, and cult, yes, something or the other. Make your body move. Otherwise, पता चला lockdown खत्म हो गया and we are locked at our bed, you know, completely. That is really important. Take care of our health.
And God, at least I'll be able to have Maggie, but to some extent, you know, I'll have it in limits.
Yes, because junk food is good because one life, if you don't enjoy one life, what is the point of living? But at the same time, the maintaining balance is equally important. You know, if you cannot have the salad, you know, do something else. I have, you know, a very good chef at my place who regularly cooks something good or the other. So I am blessed in that way.
You are.
Healthy is junky ho jata hai, so it's maintaining balance. Yes, I am completely blessed having, you know, my brother Anshu, you know, amazing chef.
Great. You're lucky.
Yes, I am. And please, guys, immunity has to be very good. Okay, so to know more about the book, rather to know more about this mantra, healthy, grab a copy of No Stopping You. And just read, ebook is available, guys. Just order your Kindle version and know that nothing in the world can stop you from achieving the life of your dreams, because there is no stopping you.
No stopping
No
you.
stopping you.
Stopping
Stopping
you.
you.
No stopping you.